Good morning, dear students. Today you will have unsolved questions to be answered by observing the given pie charts. As you know, I have already told you that in pie charts for our class we will not calculate any angle, we will not calculate any percentage. That those things will not be done, only based upon simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, or if required sometimes division or comparison based or observation sums will be there. Now you observe this is the given pie chart and it shows the preference of students for a few subjects. There are a few subjects, as you can see, four subjects: psychology, English, botany, social science. Now in order to find that how many students are liking a particular subject or which is the most preferred subject, as I have told you, separately for each of the subjects you write down this subject makes such an angle. So psychology makes 216 degree, English makes 18 degree, botany makes 54 degree, social science makes 72 degree. In this manner you just proceed. If we come to our questions, which is the most preferred subject? Now students, from here you can very easily understand which is the most preferred subject. I will not give you any hint. As you know, the greater sector is always preferred, so you just look out for that. Second question: which subject is preferred by 4 times as many students to that of botany? Now students, you see that botany is liked by, this is called 54 degree sectoral angle. Now you find out which can be that particular subject which is liked by 4 times as many people as that of botany. And suppose if I say 5 people like botany, I am looking for that particular subject that is liked by 4 times of 5. That means 5 into 4, 20. 20 people will like that subject. So from the chart you can very well identify that. Now we come to the next one. Botany is preferred by 3 times as many students that prefer dash. Now when we come to the chart again, see that botany has a particular sectoral value and there is another subject having a lesser sectoral angle value, and botany is the 3 times of that particular sectoral angle of that subject. So you have to find out which is how botany can be 3 times of that subject and which is that particular subject of which botany is 3 times. Now we come to the second chart. So this will be your second chart for as your classwork. As you can see, there are many sports listed over here and with various angles, sectoral angles: baseball 50 degree, football 81 degree, hockey, cricket, others, table tennis, tennis. Now based upon this pie chart, again there will be questions that you need to answer. We just take a look at the questions. Which is the most and least preferred sport? Now in order to find out most and least preferred sport, I'll just advise you, just you mention all the angles. Either you can by observation you can say, or if you want to list it out you can do that. Now question number A is done by finding out the most and least preferred sports. Now for question number B, sum of number of people who like tennis and table tennis is equal to the number of people who like dash. Now you don't need to actually find the number of people, because if you see, those who like table tennis they make an angle of 45 degree, and who like tennis makes an angle of 45 degree, and those who like table tennis makes an angle of 36 degree. If you add 45 degree and 36 degree, you are going to get a certain value, and that value will represent that the sum of the number of people who like tennis and table tennis is equal to a particular other sport that is found over here. You can do that. And last question, just I will just type it over here. Question number C: list out all the sports along with angle found by them. You know that how to solve it. You have already done it, so there is no such thing that this is something new. So you can very easily do this thing. So the third question: list out all the sports along with angle found by them. Make 2 columns, separate columns. I will show you how to make that column. Suppose you want to make a two columns like this. In this manner you will make it. On the left hand side you will list out the name of the sports. I am not writing them. since it's your classwork and you have to solve unsolved part. And here you write angle formed. And from the pie chart, just write them down. Okay, students, in this manner you can solve it. Thank you, students, for listening to me. Thank you.